airport, and these are OTIS Lexans. One of them's now a goods lift only, but one of them's still a passenger lift. Passenger lift. Here it is. Go to ground. Floor indicator's still broken. They're maintained by Schindler, 1,135 kgs or 16 persons. I've got a basic, I've got a nice interior, I guess. Here we are back at ground. So as you can see, we've got a Schindler D8 call button and an OTIS Lexan call button. Awesome. Now back at, we are back at 1. Go back to ground one more time. I don't really have a lot of time, so we'll just take this to ground and then back to 1. But yeah, I'm glad to see that these are still original though. Here we are back at 1. There it goes. And that's it.